Ever wondered how designers effortlessly arrange multiple images in Canva without the hassle of manually resizing each one? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that makes it fast, fun, and professional. First, open your Canva design and head over to the Elements tab. Here, you'll want to search for frames or photo grids. These are pre-designed layouts that already have multiple slots for images, making your life a lot easier. Once you find a layout that fits your vision, just drag it onto your canvas. Next, go to the Uploads tab and select all the images you want to include. Simply drag each image into the slots in your chosen grid. Canva will automatically place them for you, keeping everything neat and organized. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can adjust, crop, or resize any image within the grid to make sure everything fits perfectly. You can also move images around or replace them anytime without disrupting your layout. This method saves tons of time and ensures your design looks clean and professional. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed your design with multiple images, all perfectly aligned. With this trick, creating stunning visuals in Canva has never been easier. Give it a try, experiment with different grids, and watch your designs come to life effortlessly.